Adam is a 28-year-old lab technician from Falmouth. Like many people across the world, he's sceptical about the impact people are having on climate change.
I don't think anyone cares anymore. That's the problem. As long as they come home to their nice house with their nice car and all the food and stuff, I don't think they care what impacts they have. I think they see it as someone else's problem.
As the number of cars on the planet exceeds 1 billion, the CO2 emissions has remained at 32 billion tonnes for the third year in a row, despite international efforts to reduce that number. 97% of climate scientists have now agreed that humans are causing global warming.
Well, climate change is kind of the greatest challenge ever faced by humankind. Like, if you look through the history of the development of us as a species, as a race, as a civilization, we've never experienced anything that's going to change, threaten and alter our lives quite on the same level. It's going to affect every single aspect of our lives, from the food we eat to how we behave to how we interact with people. Like, if you're looking at it's global change of a scale that hasn't been experienced in the entire history of humankind.
Figures show that the 10 warmest years in the 134-year record have all occurred since 2000, with the exception of 1998. Year 2014 was ranked as the warmest year on record. The top 2,300 feet of ocean water has absorbed much of this heat, increasing by almost half a degree Fahrenheit since 1969. Arctic ice sheets have been decreasing in mass. Experiments done between 2002 and 2006 showed a loss of 150 to 250 cubic kilometres of ice per year. In an attempt to tackle this issue, an international team of scientists have released a free online course on climate change denial to help address the misconceptions about climate science. The idea of the course is to put people in touch with leading experts in the field to find out what they observed and experienced and how they analysed and interpreted the data of climate science. Involving the work of documentary filmmaker Sir David Attenborough, the site has already had tens of thousands sign up from over 130 countries within the first week of its launch, with the number of participants expected to rise over the next coming weeks.